My name's Jake Thomas. I was born and raised in Virginia Beach, graduated from Kellam High School, went on to become a teacher at Tidewater Community College, and quickly found out that wasn't for me, and that's when I went looking into trade schools. That's when I found Tidewater Tech Trades. The admissions rep that I met with made me extremely comfortable from the get-go, walked me through the school, introduced me to the program coordinators, the teachers, the instructors. Everybody who was there was very welcoming. The admissions staff was very helpful with the enrollment process. I still keep in contact with my instructor to this day. His name's Ernest Crouch. We did an install of a system for the actual building of the school. Probably my favorite project, actually getting to install a system that was actually going to serve a purpose, not just a test project. In the end, it was definitely worth it because I got a job. That's the whole goal. Career services helped me get the job, helped me build my resume and all that. I'm doing apartment maintenance and HVAC. I've had to do recovery of systems. We had a corporate office that was getting torn down with a bunch of units on top. All the refrigerant needed to be taken out. So, I had the skills from Tidewater Tech Trades to be able to go up there, do it in a timely manner, do it more or less on my own. I was the only one in the company at the time with an EPA regulation, which Tidewater Tech Trades set me up with. They set me up to take the test, set me up to get EPA certified. So then that way I was able to transfer into my field and be the only one with that said skill set. I've recommended Tidewater to quite a few friends of mine. I believe one is in now doing BMR. The workspace and classroom is in the same building. You can't get much better than that, where you go from the classroom right into the workspace. You learn it in the classroom, the concept, you go apply it right there, next door, 5 feet away. The instructors and everyone there are extremely friendly and knowledgeable. Some of the instructors even went through the course, so they know what you should be learning. You can't get much better than Tidewater Tech Trades.